Are you boiling your Linden tea on the stove until it turns dark red? Stop immediately. You might be destroying the very medicine you need. Today, we unlock the true power of the Linden flower. For centuries, Linden, or Tilia, has been the go-to remedy for colds and flu. But it is much more than a winter drink. It is known as the Nectar of Kings for its powerful ability to soothe anxiety and lower blood pressure. The secret lies in its flowers, not just the leaves. They contain mucilage, a sticky substance that coats and soothes an irritated throat. Plus, it's packed with flavonoids like quercetin, which act as a natural sedative for your nervous system. Here is the mistake 90% of people make. They boil the flowers directly in water or leave the cup uncovered. The healing properties of Linden are in its volatile oils. If you see steam escaping, your medicine is escaping too. To brew it right, use 1 teaspoon of dried flowers per cup. Pour hot water, about 90 degrees Celsius, not boiling, over the herbs. Crucial step: cover your cup immediately. Let it steep for 10 minutes to trap those essential oils. While generally safe, frequent use isn't recommended for those with heart disease history. 2 to 3 cups a day during a cold is plenty. Drink it right, feel the difference. For more 2-minute herbal secrets, subscribe now.